Chicken or fry. You see that? Jerk or fry.
Truck is like bigger than the Ben truck. I'm like, how is this equal to come and have that big old truck? Let's feed him though.
Clean.
Right there. Fried chicken. Fried chicken. Pasta. Hi, son. Hi, son. Look, son. Son, look. Hi, son. No. Take your foot down. I don't know what you think this is. Hi, son. What are you eating? What are you eating? You're eating freezy? Is it yummy? Can I have some?
Mom, the orange one doesn't have any flavor.
It has no flavor? Why? And then we have Raya Bears in the cut. Hi, Raya Bear. Oh my gosh, I just love my watch. You want the watch? Are you gonna fight me for the watch? Huh? Very spicy. Oh. You look like mama. You look like mama. Okay guys, so basically we went to Times Restaurant, which is located in Scarborough.
3220 Kingston Road.
3220 Kingston Road. Today they had Customer Appreciation Day, which was really nice because they gave away free fried chicken and some drinks. So if you guys live in the area, make sure you check them out. Their food is ton up, okay? So make sure you guys go over there, try some food. Let me know how you guys like it in the comment section below.
That chicken over there at Times Restaurant is lit.
Yeah, so you guys make sure you go check them out because, oh yeah, we didn't even mention, give them a little rundown of Times Restaurant though, because
Times Restaurant, they have the Caribbean food, the jerk chicken, the fried chicken, the curry goat, the oxtail,
everything.
stewed chicken,
Fish,
chicken soup, goat soup, all type of thing them have, man.
Yeah,
Festival,
dumpling,
plantain. You know the Caribbean style,
all the
man.
Caribbean cuisine.
You have it for you.
Yeah, so.
And done the right way.
Yeah, and they're very clean. What else?
Check out the establishment. You'll love to just sit there and eat.
Fun fact, the restaurant is owned by his parents. So they've been doing their thing for a very, very long time. Let us know what you guys think in the comment section. Would you like to add anything else before I sign off?
I think good now.
Okay. This looks nice though.
I built this one. I did this one. I built the whole thing all the way up.
Oh, that's cool. Nice little plaza. So yeah, guys, now we're on our way. I didn't even do a proper intro. It's because
The camera's blocking my mirror. I can't even see the mirror.
I know it's big. I don't know where to put it. It's huge. Okay, so now we're on our way to a little birthday party. Okay, guys. Hopefully I don't get copyright, but we're in Winners right now trying to find a last-minute birthday gift for a 4-year-old. So let's see what we find, if we can find anything. I don't know, but hopefully you guys can hear me. I don't want to get copyright, but we are in Winners and we're here to find a birthday gift for a 4-year-old. You know, black people, last minute shopping, but yeah, since it's back to school, I'm thinking maybe like a backpack or I don't know, something cute. So let's find something. Okay, I don't see any cute bags, so scratch that, new idea. Let's try to find some clothes. Clothes, can't go wrong with clothes. So let's do that. Let me see these. Okay, those look cute. Hold the shirt properly. Yeah.
S playing on the track.
Salad, corn, jerk chicken, barbecue chicken.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Hip, hip.
Hooray!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mariah. Happy birthday to you. Are you 2? Are you 3? Are you 4?
Look up, man.
Hey guys, as you can tell, it is late. Well, as you can tell, it's dark outside. As you can tell, the night has come. I don't even know, like, what am I supposed to say? Oh my gosh. As y'all can tell, it is nighttime. So, the party done. And we are on our way home. I'm trying to see if I can see you guys, but... Did you guys have fun?
Yeah. Yeah.
What was your favorite part?
The jumping castle and the cake.
Mm.
And yeah, that's all.
Nathan, what was your favorite part?
No.
What was your favorite part?
The jumping castle?
Yeah, you enjoyed the jumping castle?
Mom, Ryan says she likes it too.
Oh, you enjoyed the jump, but right, you didn't go in the jumping castle.
Just like the side.
Oh my gosh, am I still, are there, yo, they're in here because I'm still getting bit, like, yo, I can't. Oh my gosh, no, this is a huge mosquito bite, right? And I think it's in the car because something keeps bothering me. Oh gosh, I'm so close. What a day. What a day. We had a very fun-filled day. And now it's time to go home. Look at my eyes. Naraya has 3 bottles already, so she's good to go for the night. I will pump again probably.
When you get home.
No, I'm gonna have to pump at. It's 9, right?
Yeah.
10. No, I'm gonna have to pump at 12. So, yeah, we should be good for 12. My 12 pump session. And yeah, guys, I'm gonna end the vlog here. Oh, we have to make a quick stop at Walmart before we go home. Look at I'm tired now. Like, I don't know if it's just in my mind, but I feel like I'm still getting bit. Okay, I'm done. Bye.